Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on your soundboard uh, role on permission settings on voice channel permission settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here and click settings. Now click roles. Now click here. Now click permissions, and here as you see you will find use a soundboard. Click on it and click save, and that's it, it will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.